Today we're going to see about living of world of animals, adaptation animals such as birds and camel. Okay, now we're going to read about adaptation in birds. Birds, they have streamlined body covered with feathers. Like fish, they have streamlined body covered with feathers. This body shape provides minimum resistance to air. They have beak instead of mouth. They breathe through lungs. They have a pair of wings that are modified forelimbs. They have hollow and light bones so that they can fly easily. Usually we see birds fly, however they can also hop, move, run, etc. on the ground, and they perch well on the branch or tree with the help of a pair of clawed feet. The tail of the bird helps it to control the direction of the movements. Okay, these are the 7 points of adaptation in birds. Now, eighth and ninth point. They are strong chest muscle. They have strong chest muscle which help them withstand the pressure of the air while flapping the wings during flight. At a time, birds can see one object with one eye and another object with another eye. So it is binocular. So birds can see two objects at a time. So it is known as binocular vision. Binocular, by meaning two. Okay, ocular seeing. So binocular vision. Next one is do you know facts? Facts. Do you know answer? When an animal moves its locomotion as the season changes, it is said to be migration. In Tamil Nadu, bird sanctuaries are located at Vedantangal, Kodiyakarai, and Kundankulam. There are many birds from foreign countries like Siberia and Russia migrate toward Vedantangal. Likewise, during summer and draft condition, birds from our country migrate to foreign countries. These birds are called migratory birds. Among the birds which migrate from one country to another country, these birds are known as the migratory birds. Next one, you're going to read about adaptation in camel. Generally, all of you know the camel lives in the hot desert where water is scarce. Body structure of the camel helps it to survive in desert because of its following special features. The camel has a long legs which help it to keep its body away from the hot sand in desert. The camel can drink large amount of water when it is available and store it in the body. Generally, all of you know camel stores water in the body. A camel body is adapted to save water in the dry desert as follows. A camel passes small amount of urine. Its dung is dry and it does not sweat. Since a camel loses very little water from its body, it can live for many days without drinking water. A camel's hump has fat stored in it. In case of emergency, a camel can break down stored fats for nourishment. A camel has large and flat padded feet which help it to walk easily on the soft sand. Thus it is called the ship of the desert. So camel is called the ship of the desert. Camel has long eyelashes and has to protect its eyes and ears from the blowing dust. It can keep its nostril closed to avoid dust. Now we are going to say about spending winters in dormant is called hibernation. On the other hand, spending the hot and dry period in an inactive state is known as estivation. Example, snail. Now we are going to read the adaptive features of animals from different habitats. Name of the animal: polar bear. It lives in polar region. The thick skin for protection, white fur. Second region, paddle to swim, walk with two legs. Mountain goat lives in mountains. Strong hooves for running, long hair to protect from cold. Lion lives in forest. Strong and fast runner, has sharp claws to catch prey.